Renewable and non-renewable resources. What are renewable resources? Examples, costs, benefits. A renewable resource is a resource which can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally. Renewable energy almost never runs out. Some examples of renewable resources are solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, biomass energy, and geothermal energy. The costs and benefits of renewable resources are: the quantity is limitless and will never run out. The energy is free to use, and it's environment friendly. The costs are: it's difficult and expensive to set up, and it's not always efficient because we need large amounts, which is not always available. So now that you know this, what are non-renewable resources? Examples, cost, benefits. So what a non-renewable resource is, it's just basically a resource of economic value that cannot be readily replaced by natural means on a level of equal to its consumption. Some examples are coal, natural gases, petroleum, propane, and fossil fuel oils. The cost and benefits of non-renewable resources are: it's cheap to use, it's easy to use, it's efficient and it only requires a small amount to produce a large amount of power. The costs are: it'll run out someday, causing serious environmental changes, and it releases toxic gases which are contributing to global warming. What is the need for adequate monitoring of environmental parameters when making policy decisions of renewable and non-renewable resources? Well, that's a mouthful. Let's make this simpler by showing an example. So, imagine two kids in a playground fighting with a teddy bear with no monitoring and oversight. Well, that's not good because one kid will get hurt, and we don't want one kid to get hurt because that's pretty sad. So with the teacher representing the government as the ones monitoring and overseeing the children while they're playing results in happy children. Now that you know what rules and oversight is, let's connect that to renewable and non-renewable resources because that's a good idea. So without monitoring and oversight with renewable and non-renewable resources is, with renewable, just imagine you have a house and windmills are on top. That's pretty messed up, and there'll be unnecessary oil spills and unnecessary and large amounts of pollution. That would be crazy, windmills on your house. Am I right? Ha ha ha. You get it? So with monitoring and oversight, with renewable and non-renewable resources, is the windmills will not be in your house, there'll be way less oil spills and way less pollution. So basically, with rules and oversight, we can work cohesively with our cultural norms, just like this young farmer here and this teacher teaching like a teacher. And hopefully there will be no windmills in the school and they'll probably be on the farm. Am I right? In order to foresee the impact individuals have on the environment, one must examine how human lifestyles affect its sustainability. As the human population grows to nearly 7.7 billion people, there's an unavoidable byproduct of a person's day-to-day living. There is a certain level of collateral waste, which is simply unavoidable, because how can you not go to the bathroom? That's basically humanly impossible. Also, developed nations have become increasingly consumption-based as people's lives become busy with school, sports, and work, creating the need for quick, simple, and disposable products. Fast food restaurants like McDonald's, Burger King, and Chick-fil-A are a few examples. If history has proven anything, it is that humans will find a solution to this epic challenge. But not without any intense debates. So, get involved and be a part of the solution.